Do you remember the Bajaj Pulsar 135 LS? Well, for the longest period of time, that was the smallest Pulsar you could buy. But all of that has changed, courtesy this. This is the Bajaj Pulsar 125. It has been recently launched in India, and today we're going to take a closer look as to whether this is the recipe that Bajaj has been waiting for.
Starting from the obvious, this looks exactly like the Pulsar 150 Neon, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. Because yes, this design has been around for quite a long time now, but it is still a pretty good looking motorcycle. Almost everything has been borrowed over to this model, and that includes the suspension, the tires and everything in between. I say almost because the only difference is that the 125 has a smaller fuel tank as compared to the 150. And since it is the Neon version, it too gets several contrasting accents all across the motorcycle. The wheelbase, seat height, ground clearance, well, everything else is identical. But since it has a smaller fuel tank, the curb weight has gone down by 4 kilos, but despite that, the Pulsar 125 remains as the heaviest motorcycle by at least 15 kilos in its segment. And this shows in the fuel economy figures too, as this Pulsar is, well, not the most fuel efficient one out there. On the flip side, what this weight helps in is having a more plush and compliant ride as compared to other motorcycles in the segment. The Pulsar 125 takes up on the highways with ease and can also tackle the city roads like a champ. And the relaxed riding position means you can ride this motorcycle for long durations with ease. So, no complaints in the riding department whatsoever. And that brings us to the engine. Now you might be expecting this to be the Bajaj Discover 125 engine, but instead this too has been taken from the Pulsar 150. Thanks to a shorter stroke this time around, it is now a 124.4cc engine. It makes 12 PS of power and 11 Nm of torque, and that makes it the most powerful 125cc motorcycle in India after the KTM Duke 125 of course. As a result, this adds further to the ride quality as the bike has enough punch whenever required. And the fact that it has a 5-speed transmission helps even further. But while the engine is powerful, there are some vibrations that can be felt through the foot pegs post 6000 RPM, but then again, this is not a motorcycle that would be ridden at the limit. What really works in the favor of the Pulsar 125 is that, well, it offers a means of access to those wanting to get into the Bajaj Pulsar family range and simply want a good 125cc motorcycle that carries the looks and the proportions of a bigger 150cc motorcycle. Yes, the Bajaj Pulsar 150 Neon is priced uncomfortably close to the Pulsar 125 Neon, but at the end of the day, the Pulsar 125 manages to hit a sweet spot of offering the same package while being more fuel efficient than the 150 and being the most powerful 125 in the market. And that makes it a great option to consider.